Hey there, fellow drivers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're hitting the road with a mission to make your journeys safer and more informed as we reveal the top 5 best dash cams of 2023. Whether you're a daily commuter, a road trip enthusiast, or just want an extra set of eyes on the road, these cutting-edge dash cams have you covered. We've scoured the market to bring you the latest and greatest in dash cam technology, from 4K resolution to AI-powered features. Links to these fantastic devices can be found in the description below. But before we start this ride, make sure to buckle up, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for all things automotive. Let's hit the road together and explore the world of dash cams. Starting at number 5, Taisfong A99 Car Dash. The Taisfong A99 Car Dash is a reliable companion on the road, offering high-definition 4*1080p recording for clear and detailed footage. It excels in both day and night thanks to the 4 infrared night vision lights on the left and right lenses and wide dynamic range (WDR) technology for the front and rear lenses. A key feature is the rotatable lens angle, allowing for manual adjustment to suit different needs. The 140 degrees wide viewing angle minimizes blind spots, providing a broader field of view for added safety. The external GPS power cord enables accurate vehicle positioning and speed tracking, crucial for documenting trips and accident details. Safety is paramount with the use of ABS plus PC material, known for its flame retardant and explosion-proof properties. Furthermore, the absence of a built-in lithium battery eliminates the risk of spontaneous self-destruction. For those looking for a dependable and user-friendly dash cam with solid night vision capabilities and safety features, the Taisfong A99 is an excellent choice. At number 4, Uhd M300S Car Dash Cam. The Uhd M300S Car Dash Cam is a powerful tool designed for drivers who demand top-notch features. Its dual camera system captures front and rear views simultaneously, with the front camera supporting impressive 4K resolution for crystal clear road information. One standout feature is the GPS track driving route, which records essential data including position, speed, longitude, and latitude. This information can be displayed on the video along with a date and time stamp, crucial for accident documentation and insurance claims. The built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, combined with the Uhd app, allows you to view and download videos and pictures directly to your smartphone, eliminating the need to remove the TF card for data transfer. Super night vision, thanks to the f1.8 wide aperture and 6-glass wide-angle lens, ensures superior image quality even in low-light conditions. The smart emergency recording and loop recording features add to the overall safety and convenience. Moreover, the Uhd M300S supports hands-free voice control in English, further enhancing usability. For drivers seeking a feature-rich and high-performance dash cam, the Uhd M300S is an excellent choice. At number 3, Uhd Mini 5 Dash Cam. The Uhd Mini 5 Dash Cam sets a new standard in dash cam technology with its impressive 4K Uhd image quality. Equipped with the latest generation A99 IMX415 image sensor, it captures every detail on the road. Notably, it can even read the letters on roadside billboards where paint has worn off, a testament to its extraordinary image clarity. This dash cam is powered by a high-efficiency 265 chipset, delivering a stunning 2160p UHD resolution. The A99 IMX415 image sensor and the 7p mold spherical lens with FOV 140 provide a wide and detailed view of the road. Moreover, it boasts built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi for wireless video output, which can be conveniently accessed through the Uhd app. The gyro sensor ensures stable recordings even during collisions. For those who prioritize image quality and advanced technology in a dash cam, the Uhd Mini 5 is an ideal choice. At number 2, Uhd Mini Hidden Car Dash Cam. The Uhd Mini Hidden Car Dash Cam is a versatile 4-channel car DVR designed to meet the demands of the recorder industry. Its lens configuration includes 4 1080p lenses, with wide dynamic night vision for the front and rear lenses, and 4 infrared night vision lights for the left and right lenses, ensuring excellent night vision capabilities. One of its standout features is the built-in GPS, which monitors and displays real-time trip data, including time, speed, and coordinates. This is crucial for documenting accident details and for insurance claims. Safety is a top priority with the use of ABS plus PC material, known for its flame retardant and explosion-proof properties. The incorporation of supercapacitors instead of lithium batteries eliminates the risk of spontaneous combustion. For those seeking a dash cam that combines high-definition recording, comprehensive coverage, and safety features like GPS and supercapacitors, the Uhd Mini is an excellent choice. At number 1, Taisfong M10max Dash Cam. The Taisfong M10max Dash Cam is a 4-channel car DVR that redefines the standards in the recorder industry. With lenses covering the front, left, right, and rear views, it provides comprehensive coverage for your vehicle. The impressive lens configuration includes a 2K 1440p front camera and 3 1080p cameras, making it one of the most highly configured recorders in the industry. One standout feature is the radar sensor parking monitor, which starts recording upon detecting moving objects and enters standby mode when no movement is detected, ensuring efficient power usage. Safety-wise, the use of ABS plus PC material, known for its flame retardant and explosion-proof properties, makes this dash cam very secure. Additionally, it adopts a supercapacitor instead of lithium batteries, eliminating the risk of combustion or explosion. This is a vital safety feature in a dash cam. For those looking for an advanced dash cam with extensive coverage, high-resolution recording, and top-notch safety features, the Taisfong M10max is an excellent choice.